Today on Book's World, we'll unbox and review the original Slick Wheelie Motorcycle trailing device. As always, we ask that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome you to Book's World. This is a little product review. What we have here is a trailer hitch that I bought for my motorcycle, something that I can carry around with me without having to take my trailer with me all the time. All right, so what I'm going to do is I've already unboxed it. I'm going to pull it out, set it up, and give y'all a better shot of everything that's going on here. All right. First thing I done was inserted the tongue into my hitch just to make things a little bit easier, and I'll start unpacking, taking off all the tape. Next step is insert your cotter pin, lock in the bar, lock in your tongue. You'll find our bar, I don't even know what to call this, but this is the bar to raise it and lower it, bring it up off the floor. What you do is remove the cotter pin. Remove this cotter pin. Okay, after removing the cotter pin, you'll put it in place. My trusty assistant, Mr. Major, right there, okay. All right, next step, we'll take our straps, wrap them around our handlebars. And of course, we'll secure them over to the back of the truck. As you can see, one is already secured on the other side. Move it over to eyelet. As you can clearly hear, this is a real noisy device, and cranking it into the trailing position is quite troublesome. As you can see, we had to take plenty of rest and even found ourselves tagging each other in as though we were taking shifts. Besides the annoying squeal and trouble cranking, we found that the brass nut started shearing away as you crank through. As you can see, all the dust and that's coming from the brass nut. This leads us to believe that we're only going to have a limited use before having to replace that brass nut. All right, so now we're going to tie it down. We just took the extras, tied it off just so it doesn't blow off anywhere. Bike is pretty secure. Over here, we took it all the way up as far as it can go so that this piece actually meets this piece, so there is no jumping around. If you want, I may take a tie wrap or something and just tie around here just to secure it, but it's on there. It's going nowhere. All right, so next thing you do, follow us. We're going to take a spin around and see how this thing works. As you can see, our initial pull away from the curb threw this bike into a hell of a lean, which scared the you-know-what out of us. But the chance takers we decided we'll check the straps, make sure that the bike was on there sure and steady, and pull away to give this product a real good review. after trailing this bike for about a half a mile, I kind of gained a comfort level with the leaning when you're cornering with this trailer. So at this point, I decided to pull over and try my hand at reversing this this bike on this trailer to see how it reacted. And it pretty much reacted the same way it would if you had a regular trailer on the back. You imply the same principles. But of course, give it a little caution because you can't really see anything behind there. It's always advised to have someone step out and watch you. With all said, this is a pretty cool trailer. Lightweight, easily storable when hitting destinations that won't allow you to store a conventional trailer. And it pulls true. Cons, tiresome crank, noisy, shearing of the brass nut, and of course the scary lean when cornering. Overall, I rate this trailer a 7. Thanks for tuning in to Book's World. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.